Welcome to the best picks. The best Mini Lash Shampoo Bottles is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in your beauty arsenal, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health and longevity of your eyelash extensions, ensuring they remain clean, free from debris, and ultimately, looking their absolute best for as long as possible. Number 5. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo. Introducing our premium eyelash extension shampoo, designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. Keep your lashes looking pristine and healthy with every wash. Experience the power of a professional Korean makeup remover. This foaming cleanser is expertly formulated to lift away impurities without damaging your delicate lashes. Perfect for both eyelash extensions and natural lashes, our formula ensures a thorough clean. It's suitable for maintaining the beauty of your lash extensions or enhancing your natural lashes. Whether you're a professional lash artist or maintaining your lashes at home, this product is your go-to solution. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. This comprehensive kit includes a gentle shampoo and a specialized brush for optimal application. It's everything you need for superior lash hygiene and care. Available in a convenient 1.69 fl Oz, 50 ml size, it's perfect for daily use and travel. Enjoy clean, beautiful lashes wherever you go. What we like. This option is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and maintaining your lash extensions wherever you are. It comes with a convenient brush for easy application. If you travel frequently or need a compact solution for your lash aftercare, this is the one for you. What people say. The bottles are perfect for lash artists to dispense shampoo. These mini bottles are ideal for travel or for clients to take home. Number 4. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo. Introducing our premium eyelash extension shampoo, designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. It's perfect for both professional salons and at-home use. This professional-grade foaming cleanser is specifically formulated to be safe for your eyelash extensions and natural lashes. Achieve a thorough clean without compromising your look. Our 1-gallon size ensures you have an ample supply for all your needs. It provides long-lasting value for frequent use. You can trust this formula to safely clean your extensions and natural lashes. It removes impurities while maintaining the integrity of your lashes. We've also included 50 aftercare cards to help you and your clients maintain lash health. Proper aftercare is key to beautiful, long-lasting extensions. What we like. For professionals who need a large supply, this bulk option is incredibly economical. It ensures you never run out of essential lash cleanser for your clients. If you own a salon or provide lash services regularly, this large format will save you time and money. What people say. These bottles are perfect for lash artists to dispense shampoo. They are small and easy to use, making them ideal for travel or personal use. The bottles are made of durable material and are leak-proof. Number 3. ERIOCTRY 10 ml Portable Refillable Pump Bottles, Pack of 6. Introducing our 10 ml Portable Refillable Pump Bottles, perfect for your on-the-go needs. These compact containers are designed for easy travel and everyday use. Whether it's shampoo, lotion, or cosmetic makeup, these bottles are ideal for storing a variety of liquid toiletries. Their versatile design makes them a must-have for any travel kit. Each bottle comes with a secure cap to prevent leaks and spills, ensuring your belongings stay clean and protected. You can trust them to keep your liquids contained safely. Designed for repeated use, these refillable bottles help reduce waste. Simply fill them up with your favorite products and take them wherever you go. This pack includes 6 bottles, offering excellent value and ensuring you have enough for all your travel essentials. Stay organized and prepared with this convenient set. What we like. This is an excellent choice if you prefer to use your own lash shampoo or want to decant a larger product into a travel-size container. The refillable nature makes it eco-friendly and customizable. If you like to mix and match your lash care products or need small, portable containers for various treatments, consider this set. What people say. The bottles are perfect for my lash shampoo business. They are small and easy to dispense. These mini bottles are great for travel and holding my lash cleanser. They don't leak and are easy to refill. I love these bottles. They are the perfect size for my lash extension clients to take home with them. The pump works well and dispenses just the right amount. Number 2. Lash Fan Eyelash Extension Supplies Kit. Introducing our portable lash fan kit, designed for convenience on the go. It's perfect for your eyelash extension needs. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for flawless lash extensions. Achieve professional results with ease. Stay cool with the USB mini portable fans. They are compact and easy to carry, ensuring comfort anytime, anywhere. Maintain your lashes with the included lash shampoo brush and 50 mascara brushes. Keep your extensions clean and perfectly groomed. The kit also features a plastic wash bottle for easy application and cleaning. It's an essential addition to your beauty routine. This all-in-one kit comes in a sleek black design. It's the perfect solution for all your eyelash extension supply needs. What we like? This comprehensive kit offers a complete solution for lash extension care, including a handy USB fan to speed up drying. It's designed to provide everything you need for thorough cleaning and aftercare. If you're looking for a convenient bundle that simplifies your lash routine and includes a cooling fan, this is a great pick. What people say. The bottles are perfect for travel and the pump dispenser works well. These mini bottles are great for portioning out lash shampoo for clients. The small size makes them easy to store and carry. The design is simple and functional, and the pump dispenses a good amount of product without waste. Number 1. Buqikma Lash Shampoo Kit. Introducing the Buqikma Lash Shampoo Kit, your all-in-one solution for maintaining beautiful lash extensions. This comprehensive kit ensures your lashes stay clean and healthy. This kit includes everything you need for complete lash aftercare. From cleansing to drying, we've got you covered for optimal lash health. Achieve professional results at home with the included USB rechargeable lash fan and cleansing brush. These tools are designed for gentle yet thorough cleaning and drying. Our specially formulated lash cleanser effectively removes impurities without stripping natural oils. It's designed to keep your extensions looking their best. The kit comes with a rinse bottle and mascara wands for easy application and maintenance. Keep your lashes pristine with this user-friendly system. Designed specifically for lash extensions, this shampoo kit helps prolong their life and maintain their appearance. Enjoy longer-lasting, gorgeous lashes. What we like? This kit provides a full suite of tools for perfect lash aftercare, featuring a rechargeable fan for efficient drying and a stylish pink design. It's ideal for those who want a complete and aesthetically pleasing set for maintaining their lash extensions. If you appreciate a coordinated and effective lash aftercare system with modern features, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The bottles are perfect for travel, holding my lash shampoo. These mini bottles are great for dispensing the right amount of shampoo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.